whoever might be watching today. This is an interesting setup. I feel like I'm either going to do between two ferns or here's my other fern. Now I have to be really funny, and that's not going to happen. Or a guest. I have a chair here. But sadly, I'm still all alone. There's nobody to demand being outside, running around, doing things, and I'm sure I'm going to have to accommodate her somehow. It's a nice day out. It's not rainy anymore. We had some rain recently. I can show you. You could probably sense the type of day it is just by looking at this, but there you go. I mean, that's quite nice. Quite nice out there. I guess I can sort of take us around and take a look. Oh, I didn't turn on the lights yet. Okay, there we go. Some lights. It's always helpful when I'm recording inside, and also to have these blinds open. I don't know. Does it look any different out there? A little more organized, hopefully. Organize this a little more. In the bathroom, kind of got stuff off the floors a little bit, and out of the cabinets, all empty. The kitchen's like that too. All the cabinets are empty in there. I've kind of come in here a little bit, made some more boxes, so I have less boxes. That's all I have left. This is a really funny one. Look what I did. Look what I did. This is ridiculous. I'm sorry. If there are times where one cracks oneself up, this is one of those times for me where I really actually went ahead and did this. Even though halfway through putting this box together, I realized it was missing a whole side, and I just folded it into it. What am I going to pack in there? And then if I do pack something in there, you can't shut the tops. The top, it would be the same. It would be the same as the bottom. Trying to get that thing taped up. Just notice my butt walking out the door. Look at my big butt. I've gained some weight, not too much, but I'm at the higher weight than what I normally am. See how you can see how I'm just kind of like filling out and feeling a little flimsy here. I'm not feeling nice and tight the way I like to feel, nice and tight. Nope. Good muscles, good solid. I don't have that because I haven't been riding my bike a lot. So I realized from my video yesterday, ooh, look at me in my jeans, and here I am again. These jeans are they're flattering in a way. The pockets are neat on my butt. You know, pockets are kind of cool, but still, I'm 5'9", weigh 143. I like to weigh 132, but when I do, everybody says, "Oh my God, you're too thin." It's not even really about weight. It's just about getting on the bike and exercising. I could weigh 138 and look great or look horrible, just depending on how much exercise. But I think 138 might be my perfect weight. The dog has been barking out there at neighbors walking by. There's actually people in the back, and there usually isn't a lot of people in the back, but there just has been. Oh, yum, 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 lick it up, lick it up, yum, yum. It's actually a good deterrent, good way to train her not to bark without, you know, I know a lot of people yell at their dogs, they spank their dogs. I just saw a guy spanking his dog the other day out at the dog thing with another dog, even though they were just playing. I could tell they were just playing, and he came up behind him and just whack, like right in his butt. I don't hit my dog. You know, I feel like that's hitting, right? I mean, I guess that guy would call it spanking. I pretty much just call that hitting. Yeah, I'd say that's hitting. I don't like to hit my dog. I'm going to hit her with some Mouth spray. She'll get clean teeth and not bark. 2 in 1. I have to go do it to her again. This is not acceptable. Big heavy one. It's full of framed photos, framed pictures. All right, let's go get her again. My hair, when my hair's flat like this, I just look like I might as well just shave my head. It looks like I just have no hair, right? I'm always having hair issues when I'm doing these because I'm staring at myself in the camera, and then I can see my hair. See how quickly it changes though if I just do this? It's like all big. I got crazy hair, and I still haven't colored it. Look at it. Look at the color it's turning into right now. It's like a purple. I don't even know what color that is. What color is happening there? Oh, I don't know. I want to put a regular, it's like turning into this color. I want to put like a regular, just dark brown, really dark, almost black, and get it nice and dark. And it'll stay that way because most of our travels are going to be in the cooler weather, and I won't be under the hot sun like I am here, and that fades my hair real quick. I'm going to go to the storage unit again. You guys really, you might not have made it through yesterday's because I was sitting doing a long intro, kind of like this one, and but then after that, you should jump through my videos. If you're not liking one section, just go to another because it's the whole day, and I might be doing something completely different or be in a completely different mood 5 minutes in. So jump around the videos. If you're bored, you might find a segment that is like more appealing to you. But yesterday was good. If you jump ahead to the part where I go to the storage unit, you'll see what I'm talking about. You will see what I mean when I'm telling you that I can't keep this storage unit and I've got to get my stuff out of there. I'm going to go to that unit today. We're going to look for more boxes today. Kind of the same day as yesterday, but it's already late in the day and I haven't gotten up yet. I'm getting them up so late. So they're about like 2 days behind, because if I say a day behind, then you'd be like, where is it? Because they don't come up till like nighttime. So it's pretty much 2 days behind, and I'm posting in the evening, usually either sometime around dinner to all the way to like 2, 3 in the morning in there. Yeah, just remember, if you're ever getting kind of antsy or bored during one part, just zip, 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 jump ahead, and there might be something else in that day that's totally different and more interesting to you. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. Yes, see, there he is. There he is. Hey. I'm about, I'd say, 8 feet away from him or so. Isn't he great? I'm like kind of shaky because I'm excited. I'm not nervous. I'm just excited that he's there, so I'm a little shaky. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? I was just walking down this path here, and I saw him. I think he's moving slowly towards the water now. I think he moved a little bit since last time I came, but I'll give you a perspective of what he looks like. There's his body. Yeah, isn't that great? Isn't he awesome? I guess a lady said that she named him Walter, so his name is Walter. Cool, cool. Bye, Walter. We gotta get on with our day, but it was really nice to see you. Gotta be really careful. He's right there, right behind me. Isn't that neat? Ah, the camera's all shaky. Maybe I am a little nervous. I guess he could turn around and get me. There he is. Neat. Well, he just ran into the water. Maybe all my pictures scared him. Yeah, probably. Oh well, I scare off birds all the time too, don't I? There he goes. Hi. So graceful. I like the way they swim. Bye, Walter. Plenty of other places to lay out in the sun, I suppose. Really neat. There's Walter the alligator. All the fun things you can find in Loudermilk Beach. I feel pretty happy now. Now I think I can get on with the rest of my day. See, I told you, weird, different things could happen throughout the day. Just never know. Oh, look at me. Look at me. I'm out of breath. Whew. Oh, I've got a lot to do still, but, you know, I had to run around with the dog just now, and then I had to settle her inside, and I ran into a guy that I've been running into a lot lately. And so, hi, if you find me. Now you're in the vlog. I'm mentioning you now. Where are you? Hi. Usually I have the camera part on this side. I thought I was over there. Yeah, I just ran into him and wanted to give him the name of this so that he could look me up online. And I don't know. I think he must have told me his name, and I can't remember it. And I can't remember his little dog's name either. It might be Jazzy or something, or was that the other little dog? I don't know. Cool guy. Cool guy. Hi. I hope you like these, and I hope everyone else does. And on with our day. Whew, I'm exhausted. I just had a thought. It's like a paranoid thought. My friend there that I was just talking about lives in the same building as my husband's mom, but we don't really talk to her. And I was like thinking, I wonder if he knows her and has like figured out who I am, but isn't going to tell me that because that would be a little awkward. So hey, shoot me an email if you actually know his mom. I mean, like, do you know her like very well or anything? Anyway, I'm talking directly to that guy through the vlog. That's kind of neat. Why shouldn't vlogs work that way, right? Also, let's see, who else can I talk to? Jay, I hope your drive is going very well right now as you drive off into the sunset towards Texas, and dropped off your first load and strapped on, no, actually you strapped on a new load and you're headed to Texas with that in your small truck that is too small for all of us, and you have to see about getting us a bigger one. I'm going to add that in as a bit of information that I do have, that I found out yesterday. When he got his new truck, it was too small for all of us. It was not the same size as the one that he's in with his trainer, and he doesn't think that we're all going to fit comfortably in there, or even at all with all our stuff. That could be a problem. And he's going to bring that up with the driver manager on Monday and see if he can switch out into truck before he comes to get me. That's the news about that. Okay, that's it. On trunk lock duty. Yay! Oh look, we're talking. We're both talking. We're talking to our devices. So yeah, that was great. I just walked by somebody talking to her device, which is what people do these days, right? Go out there, plug in your device, and then unplug it because it's charged, and then start talking into it. Oh look, volleyball. Do you think I'm going to miss living here at all? Yeah, I'm going to. Looks like there's another party. There's a party going on behind me. Don't party without me. Yeah, we're back at the beach. I needed to think. I have to come and think. Shoes. Okay, I've really creatively figured out a way to hang my sneakers off my purse on my back. Oh, the sand feels really good. Oh. Clams and shells, things that are living in there. What usually happens is that they move a little bit. I think these have already moved enough, actually. There you see, that one's tail is coming out. That one has a leg or a tail coming out. What do you call that? A foot. Like a clam's foot. The pink one in the middle. You can see he's sticking his foot out. What he wants to do is get that foot back into the sand and turn around and go back down under. See if he can do that. Oh, he's losing hope. I guess he doesn't think he can do that. I'll show you what they do out in the wild. Clear it away. And then you've got something like this guy here. And you've got, you know, this guy. A couple others in there. And then what I like to do is kind of clear the top a little bit like this. Make them feel like they got to burrow back in. And then you can start to see them move. There he goes. There they go. Pretty neat. Oh, they have an instinct when a wave passes over and
exposes them again, they're supposed to dig in and get in again to their safety. I don't know if these guys want to save themselves or not.